It is impossible to determine the total cost of litigation in the public courts or arbitration at the beginning of the case. But if you choose intelligent justice's superior system for deciding your dispute, your total cost will be capped from the start. Hello again. My name is Rick Grossman, and I am the founder of the nonprofit enterprise Intelligent Justice. In this post, I will show you how, unlike the cost of traditional litigation, the total cost of deciding a dispute through our comprehensive adjudication system can be determined and capped at the very beginning of the process. Now, no honest attorney can tell you up front what the total cost of litigation in the public courts or arbitration will be. The total cost of traditional litigation is impossible to determine at the very beginning because it is impossible to anticipate all of the obstacles and delays that will be created by opposing counsel and the court over the ensuing years of conflict. But how can any party determine whether the time and cost required to litigate a dispute to a final decision is worthwhile if they do not know how much time and cost will be necessary? That problem is easily solved by a comprehensive adjudication proceeding. In a comprehensive adjudication, there is no opposing counsel or separate judge to throw procedural obstacles and delays in the way of an expeditious investigation of the law and evidence. Based upon the parties' initial descriptions of the number of documents to be reviewed and the number of witnesses to be examined under oath, the jointly chosen, neutral expert adjudicator can accurately determine and cap the total cost to be split by the parties, and do so at the very beginning of the process. The bottom line is that in a comprehensive adjudication proceeding, you will be provided with a capped total cost that is guaranteed to be much less than half the cost of litigating the same dispute in a public court or a traditional arbitration. That upfront cost provides you with a huge advantage over litigation in the public courts or arbitration, where you are forced to jump into an expensive litigation black hole with no idea what that ultimate cost will be. In my next post, I will explain how a comprehensive adjudication also eliminates the excessive amount of time required to obtain an enforceable decision resolving the dispute through traditional litigation.